Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the top oven door trim on your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Fully open the oven door and rotate both door hinge locks back. Partially close the door, then lift and pull the door toward you to remove. Set the door handle side down on a towel or blanket. Using a Phillips-head screwdriver, unthread the 4 bottom screws securing the outer door panel. Next, unthread the 2 upper screws securing the door handle and the inner panel assembly. Set the handle aside. Separate the inner door assembly from the outer panel. You can now slide off the old door trim. Install the new top oven door trim by sliding it onto the outer door panel. Join the inner door assembly and the outer door panel together. Realign the handle and fully thread the upper screws to secure it. Replace the 4 bottom screws. Reinstall the oven door by inserting the door hinges into the hinge slots at a 45-degree angle. Lower the door to its fully open position, then rotate the hinge locks forward. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your gas range should be ready for use.